walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. Insomnia.
Could this get any worse? Are you kidding me? Shh! Nobody cares who! Go away, world! Stop it! Ignore it. Just ignore it. Gotcha. Now shh. I mean it. No! Bjorn! 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 Hey! It's me! Bucky!
Hey, Buck. What's going on?
Oh! Morning, Bjorn. I can't sleep because I've got no sleepnia.
Insomnia. That's what they call it. Go take a nap. Come back this afternoon and we'll talk about why you can't sleep or whatever then.
How am I supposed to take a nap if I can't sleep?
Well, you've got a point there. Well, let's solve your problem together and figure out why you're having this insomnia. To start, tell me everything you did yesterday.
Yesterday, hang on. In the morning, I did some pretty important high-tech research. A little light farming, a lot of high-level brain stuff. Like most days, it's pretty taxing. Then, after lunch, some moderate to heavy farming, with yoga on the side. Then, after some advanced gravity experiments, I invented a whole new way to use a chair. Oh, then finally, I thought of 2 rhymes for the word orange, but I didn't have anything to write them down with, so I forgot them. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So you just played Farm Hero all day long.
That pretty much covers it, yes. Well, I was gonna do more, and then I just didn't.
Well, I do know one cure for insomnia, but I left it under this big pile of firewood. Can you help find it?
Easy McPeasy. Not really seeing anything under here. Maybe it's under this pile. Or these piles.
Keep looking. You're doing great, Bucky.
Hey! What's up? Where's your cure? It's not here.
Well, that's weird. I was sure it was there. What if it's lost in all that big, tall grass?
Right. So where's the lawnmower? I was hoping for the kind you ride on. Oh well, this will work just fine. Still no sign of a cure.
Keep looking. It's gotta be somewhere.
Nothing. Nada. Squat.
Well,
what?
now that I'm remembering, that insomnia cure could have fallen from my pocket while I was planting trees. Wanna check?
Please.
Is it under that log? Or by the fence, maybe? Keep looking.
If I look any harder, my eyes will explode.
Yeah, it's under the log. Or in the hedge. There. Oh. Hey! I definitely had it in the flower bed. Maybe. Or was it in the leaves? Or the dock that isn't there yet. And did you check the Zen rock garden? Or under my dirty dishes? Where, oh, where could it be? While you're checking the roof, can you install this pinwheel? Nice, thanks. So is it up there?
I can't believe we still haven't found your insomnia medicine after looking all that time. It's mega extra lost. Phew, I'm so tired. I'm sleepy. I'll get some sleep and then we can look for the insomnia cure again in the morning.
Why bother with that? A hard day's work is the best cure for insomnia at night.
Makes sense. Hope I can find that no-sleep-nia cure when I wake up.
The house spirit.
This is 1,000,000% true. It was a dark and stormy night. I was in my house all by myself, working on a gadget, which I never got to work right. But forget that. There I was, geniusing away. And then what? I took one bite and put the cake back. It was mad tasty, by the way. Right, but then when I looked, cake? Cake, where are you? Cake?
It was gone?
Completely gone, the whole piece. I'd only had one bite.
And then what?
Well, that was how it started. Ever since, whenever I look the other way, blam! My food vanishes. This one time, I was reading this really hard book for super smart bears, and can you believe it? Blam! Completely empty. And it's happened other times too. Huh? When I'm meditating, or working out. I mean, at its core, there's something really fishy going on. It started happening all the time. It's even sort of scary. If all my food just keeps disappearing, what am I supposed to do? Think maybe I could just stay with you until this problem stops?
Listen, Bucky, we have this ancient legend up north where I come from. They say that in the den of every bear, there lives a house spirit. And if the bear does something to upset him, he will become angry. And then he'll start playing all sorts of mean, bad tricks.
Just be quiet with your made-up ghost stories. Modern science guides this bear's life. Look, excuse me, I'm back. I'm talking formulas, theorems, and proofs. Elegant math equations. Backed up by advanced, complex, state-of-the-art lab experiments. Really sciencey science! Through which I've absolutely proven beyond a shadow of a doubt that dumb house spirits just do not exist.
But your food keeps disappearing, doesn't it?
All right, fine. If I have a house spirit, why'd he become a food thief? He never took anything before.
I'm not sure. I guess that he's upset.
Upset? At what? Just look at the sweet place he gets to call home. Spacious, warm, stylish, bright. Brilliant feng shui.
You know, Bucky, while it's true you have a wonderfully nice place to live in here, but it's a bit of a terrible mess. I'd be upset if I had to live here.
If you had looked where you were stepping, you'd have no reason to be upset. And this is not just some ordinary mess. It's a creative genius mess. It's like the inside of my brain. Whoa! My brain's a mess.
Perhaps we should tidy up anyway. I can help, you know. Here we go.
Careful, buddy.
We're getting pretty good at this. Well, if it isn't Mr. Buttons.
Whoa! I lost that, like 4 whole months ago.
What is this thing?
So, I thought I should be prepared in case aliens ever land here. Of course I would need to document the moment. So I set up surveillance cameras all over the house.
So, did the aliens ever actually come?
Not yet. Could be they took a wrong turn. Alien GPS is buggy.
Are the cameras still all recording stuff?
Of course! Bjorn, you're a genius! Now, thanks to modern technology and my amazing brain's first-rate thinking, we've got footage of my house spirit. You can totally tell I'm geniusing up a storm there. There! Chicky, that naughty pumpkin! But what's up? Where's the house spirit? Forward. Chicky again? Just wait until I get my hands on that little yellow yum burglar. That was my honey! Come on! Forward. Chicky again? Are you kidding me? That sneaky little beak face. Well, there. It was just Chicky the whole time. And you were talking about house spirits.
But your house is a lot tidier and cleaner than it used to be, Bucky. If a house spirit was living here, he'd definitely be happier now.
That's fine by me. I like it like this. There's room to skateboard inside. Ooh, I always hide a cookie in the couch. Where'd it go? It had cream in the middle. I need it. I really need it. Huh? Give me back my cookie. Hey! Come back!
How to cure a tree. Just a polar bear on a stroll. Bucky! Bucky, hey! You in there? We're going to the river, right? Have those wires always been there? Where are you? Come on, Bucky!
I'm sorry, Bjorn. I can't go today.
Where are you? What do you think you're doing? Stop that this instant! I mean it! Bucky!
Huh? Oh! Ouchie McPain pain! Why are you screaming? You totally made me hurt myself.
You say you're hurt, huh? Ugh. What about the tree?
What? The apple tree? Like, what about it? It's only a tree, right?
A tree is a living thing. It feels pain too, you know. Why are you torturing it?
Me? Torturing? How? There's been no torture. I'm setting up the internet, dude. Can you just imagine the entire world at our fingertips? All the latest information in the entire world. And it's mine for the browsing.
You're hurting the tree for the sake of internet, huh? What happens if the tree dies?
This is only a tree, Bjorn. We have a forest full of them, see? What's your problem? Just watch. When I am through, I'll show you the whole wide world. You'll be able to see what our forest looks like from space.
I don't want to see a tree suffer like this. Not even from space. You've hurt the poor thing, and now it feels bad.
Bjorn, you are one odd bear. I'm attempting to drag you into the current millennium. All that you seem to be concerned with are some silly trees.
I'm not interested in the kind of progress that causes any trees to suffer. You can do your interneting without me.
Why was Bjorn that upset? I've just made this forest so much cooler, by far. It's really working. I'm a genius. They should call me Albert Einstein. Home sweet home. Whoa, Bjorn, sweet Bjorn. What's he doing?
Poor thing.
Hello, Bjorn. Are you all right? Are you still mad at me?
I'm not mad, Bucky.
But you have a growl face.
I'm worried about this poor apple tree. I've given it a lot of water, but it's still not looking any better.
So why not just find the right way to fix the tree? You're an expert on branches and leaves and dirt and all that stuff. Bjorn, I'll help in any way that I can. Just let me know what to do. I'm pretty darn good at everything.
Listen, you don't understand. The apple tree is a living thing. It can't just be repaired. It needs to be treated so that it can heal. But I don't know what to do.
So, you need to heal a tree, but you're not certain how. When there's something that you need to learn, you just have to ask. And you know where you can find out the answer to pretty much any question? Wait for it. On the internet. There, it's really easy, see? Eureka! Ladder time!
Yeah!
Get these out of your way and tape!
Ooh.
Yeah! Catch! Nailed it!
Oh, yeah!
Incoming!
Looking good. All right.
Nice work!
Thanks! It looks so much better than before, right? It will heal in no time. What a relief.
What did I tell you, Bjorn? What would we have done if we hadn't had the internet? You must see now, it's wonderful. The way that Scientific progress can improve our lives.
You're right. But from now on, can we progress without causing harm to the living things around us? Like trees or flowers or ferns. Let's just not harm nature at all, ever, period. Or else we won't have anything nice to look at from space.
You look very handsome from space, by the way.